By watching this video, we're saving you millions of dollars.
Billions.
Some of these habits you might not even know you're doing. We're gonna get into the top 10 habits, all right?
A highly effective driver.
That's right. Number 1 is resting your hand on the shifter knob.
This is bad because you have synchros in your transmission, and the job is to make it so the gears can line up. And if you're just putting pressure on it all day, they're getting hot, getting that friction going, and you're burning it up.
This also includes leaving your foot on the clutch.
This right here is your throwout bearing. And if you are pushing that bearing into that clutch all
With your
day
foot.
long with your foot, you're gonna cause, undue and unwanted wear on this bearing. It's gonna cost you thousands of dollars to replace one of these. Take a look at that crap.
Take a look at that crap.
That's right.
Do you see that crap?
Your bearings look like that. Get your dirty, grubby feet off the clutch.
Number 2 is buying the incorrect fuel type.
Now everybody's just like, oh, I put premium in my car. Well, if it's not designed for premium, guess what? Not good. This is your ECU right here. Controls when the fuel ignites. And if you have more energy, like in premium, it's supposed to ignite it sooner. So if your car isn't designed to do that, you're gonna cause pinging and pre-detonation.
Don't get the wrong fuel like our uncle who decided to put ethanol in his 2004 Honda Odyssey.
Shove that corn down its throat. Number 3, this one's gonna spark a little controversy. If your age starts with a 1 or a 2, you don't need a new car.
Buying a new car if you're young is the worst thing you can do.
Work up to that, enjoy the crappy car experience, but also just get a car that's, well within your budget.
Exactly. The number of dye blonde girls at my college that drive their new Ford Bronco that their dad bought for them is ridiculous. You shouldn't have that nice of a car, bro.
You're gonna wreck it.
Yeah, you're gonna wreck it.
It's also gonna ruin you financially. Just buy a $10,000 Civic and call it a day.
Number 4 is driving your car before it's warmed up.
Every engine has little tolerances, super fine details. We're talking, 30 thousandths of an inch. When things get hot, things expand. So we want those things to be fully expanded before we're running it. Otherwise, you might have loose tolerances and you might even have not enough oil up into your valve train yet. Just like that. Now, the second part of this is running your car too hard before it's warmed up. Not just your coolant temperature, but your oil temperature. That is very important to make sure that all of it's nice and saucy and lubey and hot before you're ready to go.
Number 5.
Don't trust oil manufacturers when they say you can run 10,000 miles without an oil change.
It's cap.
You're supposed to explain this one now.
Oh, yeah.
Your car burns oil whether you like it or not, and it's gonna consume it. It's also gonna have, fuel dilution, everything like that. You might even dip that dipstick at around 8,000 miles, be like, hey, this is pretty clean, it's pretty full. That's because it's full of fuel. Get it out of here. Change it every 5K or less.
Number 6, if it's got tread, the tires ain't dead.
False.
This mindset has ruined people's lives.
I've got a Civic out back that the guy was driving. He's just like, oh, the front tires on a front wheel drive car have tread. The other one's in the back. It's okay. You can still see a little bit of a pattern. Guess why I bought it?
He wrecked it.
It was wrecked because he lost traction in the rear end and backed it up into a wall.
Don't let your tires go bald.
Number 7, buying a bunch of truck you don't need.
If you are buying a ginormous truck and you're modifying it, you're lifting it, you're putting your underglow on it, and you don't even have a trailer, or you don't even have a big old bike to put in the back of it.
Big old bike.
What are you doing with a truck?
We know this is a little bit out of the wheelhouse of things that are killing your car, but this
is killing your street cred,
is
bro.
killing your street cred.
It's cringe. It's cringe, bro.
You might think nobody knows I don't have a trailer. I know.
My favorite, number 8. This is actually the most important one on the entire list. Cringe mods.
Look at these.
Do not put cringe mods on your car.
Illest. This is pretty sick. Oh, I admit, I had that on my 350Z.
Putting eyelashes on your car, or putting reindeer antlers and a red nose on the front of your car, that is killing your car.
It opens you up for vandalism and hate crime.
Cringe mods.
Cringe mods.
Number 9, over-revving your car too much.
We know you paid for that whole tachometer and you want to use that till the very last little red inch, but more speed, more friction, more heat, more bad.
And
Remember
then you're
that.
gonna have a blown head gasket.
Blown engine.
Number 10, running a subwoofer without a capacitor.
Now, some people might say that we've done this.
We've never done this.
You know, sometimes when that bass hits hard, you'll see your headlights dim and everything. You think you're cool. It's actually putting a ton of stress and strain on your alternator. And it's going like, oh, full charge. Oh no, we're fine. Full charge every time you hit that bass. So get yourself a capacitor. It's gonna help maintain and smooth out your voltage draw. Now, if you've done any one of these or think that we missed something that people really shouldn't do, you're probably right. But feel free to put a comment below and tell us how we're wrong. We love having discussions.
If you guys argue in the comment section, we will argue back. Okay.
Fun. Or not.
No, if you're putting cringe mods on your car, get off the street.
Thank you for watching.
We're Budget Builds, and see you in the next video.
Going to the loop. I think I'm gonna poo. My patties can't see Big Ben yet, but I know that the trolley's gonna pull up to my private jet.